Today we are studying metric system. What is metric system? The metric system is a system of measuring things. It is used worldwide in calculations and research. You know, meter. Meter is a is the unit of measuring what? Measuring distances and lengths. We use this unit in our daily life. For example, distance between your school, this is your school and your home. The distance between your school and home, we use this unit. Okay, the length of your cloth, we use meter. You may have noticed that there is a weight mentioned in a bag of your favorite snacks. Suppose you are buying some chips, okay, some potato chips, and if you go behind it, you can see some weight mentioning here, okay. Suppose 250 grams of potato chips, okay. If you go behind the packet, you can see that it is mentioned there. Similarly, if you buy a bottle of cold drink, suppose it is 7 Up or something else, uh, Coca Cola or something else like that, how you will measure that? 2 liter of or 750 ml, okay, 300 ml, 10 ml, okay. So what we can say, similarly on the bottle of your favorite beverage, there's volume mentioned, okay. So we can write here length, volume and weight. Units are semi, decimi, meter and kimi. It is ml, liter, milliliter, liter, etc. And weight you can say gram, kg, etc. So let's talk about metric units. The units for length, I can write here the units for length, weight which is actually mass, and capacity which we call volume in metric system are length millimeter, mm, then we can say decimeter, okay, dm, centimeter, we can write cm, meter, meter, meter is m, and kilometer, we can write km. are used to measure how long or wide or tall an object is. Examples include measuring the thickness or length or a debit card, length of cloth or distance between two cities, etc. etc. Okay, then we will discuss about weight, metric units of weight, that is gram, gram, gram. Then kilogram, you can say decagram, hectogram, centigram, anything. Okay, are used to measure how heavy an object is using instruments. Measuring weights of fruit or our own body weight, etc. etc. Then we will discuss capacity. Capacity, which is volume, you can say milliliter, milliliter, ml, liter, like anything else, we can say deciliter, centiliter, decaliter, hectoliter, etc. etc. Example is measuring amount of juice in a juice can or a amount of water in a water tank, etc. etc. So we'll go next, metric conversions. If this is a base unit, will be there. Base units means meter, gram, or liter. Okay, this will be your base units. If we go for length, it will be meter. Weight, it will be gram. And capacity, which I said earlier, volume, capacity is liter. Okay, is it clear? To measure smaller or larger quantities, we use units derived from the metric units, like I am writing here. If it is base unit, what I have already discussed, in the right side it will be deci, then centi, then milli, and these are the smaller units, and the bigger units are deca, hecto, and kilo. Okay, these are the, you can say these are the bigger units, and from this way are the smaller units. Okay, understand? I am giving you a diagram, and this way you can understand or convert the units easily. Here what we can do, we can multiply or divide for making metric conversion. This is called metric conversion. To convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we move left to right. We multiply by 10. Here you can see this is base unit, this is deca, hecto, kilo. If we move from left to right, here kilo to hecto, we have to multiply by 10. Then hecto to deca, again multiply by 10. Deca to base unit, again multiply by 10. Base unit to deci, multiply by 10. Deci to centi, multiply by 10. Then centi to milli, multiply by 10. Move to the right. This is called move to the right. Okay. Then moving right to left. Moving right to left. What is going to do? We are going to do it from smaller units. Smaller units are deci-centimilli, and bigger units are deca-hectokilo. What we can do? We divide by 10. Milli to centi. If we go milli to centi, we divide by 10. Then centi to deci, we again divide by 10. Then deci to base unit, divide by 10. Base to deca, we divide by 10. Deca to hecto, we again divide by 10. And hecto to kilo, divide by 10. And this is move to the left. Move to the left. In this way, the conversion you can understand clearly. Right or wrong? Comment below. The US standard units or the customary or imperial unit system units. This system measures length or distance. They measure length or distance in inches, feet, yards, and miles. Okay. If you go US, you can see these terms miles. Okay. If you see capacity or volume in fluid, you can see the units called ounce, or even CS, ounce, cups, pints, quarters, quarts, or gallons. If we measure weight or mass in ounce, OUNCS, pounds, and tons. Okay, then we talk about some examples in our method, normal method. Okay, one, let's say a comment below if you can do that. 1 kilometer, km, equal to how much meter? Do you know that? 1 kilometer equal to, see, 1 kilometer equal to, if we go for base unit meter, then how many 10 will be multiplied? 1, 2, 3. You can see 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros. Okay, then 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. You can calculate this easily. Then if I say 1 meter equal to how much kilometer? See here, base unit is meter. Then if we go there, we have to divide 10, 10, 10. Then 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay, it means 1, 2, 3, 0 km, 0.001 kilometer. Understand? If you not understand, please comment below. I know you will understand. Please follow this rule and understand in a calm mind, silent mind. Okay, you can understand it very clearly. Thank you. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.